Eto ha, real talk to ha. You know what's funny? A lot of people say, I'm loyal Pero kung titingnan mo sa action niya, parang loyal with option. Let's be real mga kabesh. Kapag nasa relationship ka, you should never let anyone feel like they have a chance with you. Kasi loyalty is not about saying, taken ako. It's about acting like it. Iba yung sasabihin mo lang sa pinapakita mo. Yung iba kasi parang sobrang friendly daw. Pero grabe yung friendly parang may audition sa next relationship. Sasabihin, wala naman akong ginagawa. Nagre-reply lang ako. Yeah, nagre-reply ka, pero 2 AM? Diba? Sino ka? Customer service? Iba na yan, besh. Walang normal. Walang ganyan pag nasa relationship ka. Magre-reply ka 2 AM. Just, what kind of BS is that? Kasi kung committed ka, hindi mo kailangang iparamdam sa iba na available ka pa rin. Kasi kahit hindi mo sabihin, yung energy mo nagsasabi kung loyal ka o bored lang sa mga relationship mo. Tandaan mo yan. Loyalty isn't about blocking every person of the opposite sex. It's about setting boundaries kahit walang nakatingin. Tandaan nyo yan. At kung may nagsabi sa'yo na konting landi lang, wala namang masama. Like, what? Ay, girl, simula lang yan konti. Pag nasira, tiwala, full package ang damage. So remember, being faithful is not about what you avoid. It's about what you choose. You choose your partner every single day. Even when it's boring, even when it's tempting, even when no one is watching. So kung taken ka, act like you're taken. Hindi ka limited edition kung lahat may access. Kasi kung gusto mong magpaka-available, ay besh, huwag kang magmahal ng isa. Mag-sign up ka na lang sa open relationship program. Ganun. Kasi loyalty isn't old-fashioned. It's rare. So protect it. Huwag mong hayaan maging option ang taong pinili kang maging only. Being loyal even when no one's watching, that's real love.